The first tool we're going to use is this end grinder here. We're going to clean the outer edge and the inner edge of this pipe, get it free of paint and any scale for the welder to be able to weld that pipe. And here, guys, we're going to clean about an inch. That way you don't get any paint anywhere near the welder. On the inside, you can clean, only about half an inch. You don't have to clean as much inside. Okay, so now we're using the 4-inch angle grinder. And what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be grinding this at the exact same angle. And we're gonna be knocking off the landing that's still on the pipe here. We're gonna be preparing this for TIG welding. So we're gonna knock off this landing that's on this inner edge here. Another thing to keep in mind, guys, is pay attention to where your sparks are going. You don't wanna, be hitting anybody around you. I like to aim them downward, so I'll keep rotating it to shoot the sparks downward, not at anybody. So now I'm gonna be using this flat disc here to finish off this bevel and smooth out the grinding disc mark. As you can see, now the bevel's all cleaned up. That landing edge is gone. Now that it's sharp, you guys need to be careful when handling this pipe or picking it up. That edge can be very sharp and it can cut right through your glove. All right, guys, so now we're gonna check the squareness of our bevel using a 2-foot pipe fitter square here. So what you wanna do with the square is set it directly on top here, making sure that it is straight with the pipe. And now we're gonna be looking here at the inner edges of our bevel and sliding it back and making sure it touches both ends or it is very close. As you can see there, it's pretty square there. Now we're going to rotate this square and do it 90 degrees. Check the other side. You can see we're very close there as well. I also like to check it in between this 90 degree, basically at a 45. Doing the same thing, making sure our square is lined up here on this back edge so we don't get a false reading. It looks like our bevel is pretty square. All right, guys, so now we're going to be preparing our flange. Very similar to preparing that pipe, except this one has quite a bit of paint on it. So what we're going to do is hit it with a wire wheel first to get the paint off, and then we'll start cleaning it up. And guys, before you guys lay down this flange on any table or anything, make sure the table's free and clear of any welding spatter or burrs. That way you don't go damage the actual face of the flange. So now I'm going to go back with the 1/4-inch disc so we can grind our bevel down. So now we're going to go back with this end grinder here, and we're going to clean it up with a flap disc also, inside and outside first. So now we're going back with this flap disc just to smoothen out the grinding marks on it. All right, guys, so now I'm going to use this jack here to help me support this flange as we go to fit it up. You have this locking nut here. All right, guys, so I'm going to be using a 70S6 1/8 wire. I'm running about 80 amps here. And for the welders, I like to kind of give like a 1-inch tack that still lets the fitter be able to move and square this pipe, but it's also big enough to not let the flange try to twist or misalign when we go to square it up and level it up.